The hardest part of running any small business is managing all the information. It's usually stored in a few software services, tons of spreadsheets, random scraps of paper, or just in someone's head. Software services often shut down and have data lock-ins. Spreadsheets are great, but are mostly disconnected islands. Ad hoc data is lost or forgotten. Enter BridgeMe. We map your structured data and preserve your ad hoc notes and thoughts into a single, unified understanding of your business. How do we do it? To train a machine learning model, the amount of data in a small business is inadequate. Writing custom software for unique requirements of every business is impractical. Instead, we capture your knowledge as math. We translate plain English sentences into logical expressions, like these. We convert English to data statements, schema, queries, and even rules. For example, you can explain a spreadsheet to BridgeMe just like you would to a person. You can say, this company supplied this quantity of material on this date. From then on, you can add new data just by talking. Now you can access your data without any knowledge of SQL, just by asking English questions. Iterate over potential metrics and personalize your dashboard content by saying who supplied and how much. You can even write rules to derive new conclusions and take direct action by nudging your stakeholders via notifications. All this using just plain English. Your business processes will remain the same. With BridgeMe, you run your business the way you want. You keep the versatility of spreadsheets, add the robustness of databases, and enjoy the ease of using English. So go ahead. Try now. It's free.